So if I do not find somebody soon, I'll blow up into smithereens and spew my tiny symphony all up and down a city street, while trying to put my mind at ease, like finishing this melody. This feels like a necessity, so this could be the death of me, or maybe just a better me. Now come in with the timpanis and take a shot. I